Good afternoon. My name is Shirley Chikin, and today I will present about computerized tomography images processing using artificial intelligence techniques. The overview today is an introduction, the background, discussion, and finally the conclusions and references. Nowadays, the study of image analysis are vital in medicine, agriculture, sports, and object recognition. In the medical domain, images reveal their importance to improve the process to treat the patients. There is extensive research to contribute to medicine by segmentation and identifying areas of interest, for example, organs. Currently, research has been focused on computerized tomography or CT images to apply image processing techniques due to its essential role in detecting diseases of liver, lungs, brain, skull, and recently COVID-19 disease. The segmentation of CT images is a challenging task due to several factors such as the complex background, dataset size, dimensions, noise, illuminations, or shadows. In that sense, in image processing needs to improve their techniques and methods. For example, in that case, artificial intelligence has different ways to automate the process like machine learning, artificial neural networks, and convolutional neural networks. The objective of this work is aimed to present a state-of-the-art of image segmentation using computed tomography images through the usage of artificial intelligence techniques, and also present a discussion about the recently works. Then the background will be a review of basic concepts. First, artificial intelligence. The study of AI involves concepts and methods to solve problems through learning with data, inputs, outputs, to create relationships and extract important information. One of the most considerable advantages is on medicine by detecting anomalies or pathologies from digital images. Second, machine learning. Machine learning have three important sub-areas. For example, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. First, supervised model learns from a labeled dataset, and its task is to predict correct output or label in a test dataset. Then, an unsupervised model uses an unlabeled dataset, and its main task is to discover characteristics and data structure. Then, reinforcement learning is an algorithm to use AI agents to choose the best actions to maximize a numerical reward signal. About artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks are algorithms that process information. This works similar to the biological neurons found in the human brains. In this case, there is a field called deep learning. It is an advanced field of machine learning based on which computers learn through experience and understand the world with a hierarchy of concepts. DL has dramatically impacted research areas from image analysis to automotive, finance, and medical industry. It's important to mention that deep learning has a great impact that like recognition on breast cancer, extraction on brain tumor, and organ segmentation. About convolutional neural networks. The objective of convolutional neural networks is to solve problems that artificial neural networks don't solve. One important aspect is to obtain features when input propagates toward deeper layers. The applications of convolutional neural networks are, for example, image processing, edge detection, decoding facial recognition, and analyzing documents. The structure of a convolutional neural network has based on three fundamental layers: a convolutional layer, a pooling layer, a fully connected layer, and finally, the convolutional neural network has an output. It will customize it according to the application. Then, computer vision. This field aims to interpret and analyze images. However, this task is challenging due to the inverse problem of vision. There are many applications of computer vision, such as machine inspection, retail, 3D model building, medical imaging, automotive safety, and biometrics. In the field of computer vision, we have a field called image processing. It is a computational task to analyze different types of images, for example, PNG, JPG, DICOM, and ATC. Image processing applications involve the medical, agriculture, sports, and object recognition fields. The use of computerized tomography images has been increased in the medical domain and also is a field of computer vision. So, CT images refers to an X-ray image. It can show the skeleton, organs, and tissues, as well as any abnormalities, deficiencies, and trying to identify. For example, we have, and this is an image of a computerized tomography images from lung. Also, it's important to say that there exist several challenges arise when processing images, such as the noise, the complex background, the dataset size, and the shadows. Then about the discussion. We have some related works. Several authors worked on segmentation computerized images using different and traditional and non-traditional methods. For example, Sasson et al. Worked on a hybrid method to achieve a single organ segmentation automatically. They used CT images of the liver in a DICOM format. The algorithms used were the split and merge and region growing. It, it was used to make a better segmentation and increase the precision. Another word to mention is about Sen et al. They designed a framework to extract objects from CT images using reinforcement learning. Then Wu et al. They combine thresholding, which is a method about image processing, and the chance-bands algorithm to segment many types of images. Another important work was of Su et al. They proposed a membership function convolution neural networks approach. Also, one et al. Proposed a framework for multi-organ segmentation using organ attention network with reverse connection. The algorithm was called OAN RCS. The OAN is a deep convolutional network that reduces the complex background and make easy to detect the organ in that sense. Then, Sackbunger et al. Proposed an efficient method for liver segmentation. They mentioned the use of the unit architecture and the mean shift clustering algorithm. Also, they introduced statistical thresholding to improve the accuracy of the segmentation. Another work is about Su et al. They made an implementation based on multi-organ segmentation. They used partially labeled datasets of the pancreas. The authors applied the prior aware neural networks, called PANN, to overcome the context background problem. Then about the empiric work, they proposed a study of medical images to find the middle axial slide at the L3 level automatically from a full or partial body CT image. The algorithm used a fully convolutional classifier. Then, John Earl used a new deep convolutional neural network called COVID-SIGNet to segment the infected regions and the entire lung from chest CT images. The proposed network focused on future variations, block and progressive through spatial pyramid pooling. Next, the following table showed a resume of the work. So for that, in the recent years, we have many works based on artificial neural networks and deep learning. For example, in 2021, general this, their methods were based on architecture with feature variation and progressive spatial pyramid polling. Then also Daybury et al. Use an algorithm of L3. Then similarly, Warren and Sambayana, Shu use the same methods using artificial neural networks through the architectures like UNet or PNN or membership function convolution neural networks. We have other works based on other methods. For example, we have the Wu with the work is based on interactive chant bands and make a combination with image processing techniques. Similarly, is the work on Seng et al. We use reinforcement learning using methods of machine learning. And finally, the Sasson we use other methods. These methods were based mainly in image processing techniques. And finally, we say that it's important to combine image processing techniques and new techniques like deep learning and artificial neural networks. About the conclusions, image processing is crucial in many domains such as computer science, industry, security, and medicine. In recent years, the study of computerized tomography images revealed its importance in the medical field by helping to detect diseases like tumor, cancer, or control organs with problems. The automatations of algorithms use advanced techniques such as convolutional neural networks can improve the accuracy and performance of results. Previous work reveals that it's necessary to use traditional image processing techniques in the data preparation stage of the algorithms. And finally, we have some references used in our work. Thanks.